StockHolding. We look after everything. Would you like to avail an additional tax benefit? Invest in NPS through your employer. Invest in NPS securely through StockHolding Corporation. Sign up online. It's extremely simple. Visit stockholding.com/nps.php. Fill in all required details and provide the OTP that you will receive for verification. After successful OTP verification, you will be redirected to NPS account opening page. Enter your PAN number and date of birth for verification. Kindly keep handy scanned image of PAN, wet sign, passport size photograph, cancelled check or bank statement, Aadhaar number and address proof ready for further verification.
Click on Get OTP to receive OTP on email and mobile. Enter the OTP received on both mobile and email. Click on Authenticate tab.
Once OTP is verified successfully, you will be redirected to the registration page. Now you are on the Personal Detail tab. Some of the details are already filled. Please enter the pending mandatory details. Kindly select your subcategory as Corporate Client and click on Save and Continue. Fill the required information in Additional Detail tab. Select StockHolding Servicing Branch in consultation with your employer. Once your details are added, you will be taken to Bank Detail tab. Upload scanned image of your cancelled check or latest bank statement before proceeding further. Kindly ensure the bank details entered are correct. Kindly enter employment details as per your service record. Once your bank details are updated, you will be redirected to Nominee Detail tab. You will now need to provide details of nominees. A minimum of 1 nominee and a maximum of 3 nominees will be accepted. Please note that the nominee percentage total must be 100%. In the Document Details tab, upload your passport size photo, signature and address proof as per required size and format. You may use View option to verify the uploaded documents and proceed further. Once the relevant documents are uploaded successfully, you are required to fill in your FATCA details. Fill the CBO number provided by your employer and check your CBO name. Select Pension Fund Manager and subcategory. If you are selecting Auto subcategory, you may select the life cycle as per your risk appetite. LC75 is aggressive, LC50 is moderate and LC25 is a conservative investment portfolio. If you are selecting Active subcategory, specify the percentage for each asset class. Click on Yes, Continue to confirm your CBO number. Click on Preview PDF to check your NPS account opening form before submitting.
For paperless application, select Proceed for OTP-based submission. Click on Generate OTP to receive the OTP on mobile and email ID. Enter both the OTP and click on Authenticate and Submit. PRAN generation alert will be displayed on screen. NPS account will be verified and activated by StockHolding branch after employment details confirmation by nodal officer.
Save the NPS registration form for future reference. Invest in NPS now to make your retirement comfortable. StockHolding. We look after everything.